Hi friends, this is Denario Research and welcome to my new video tutorial where I'll show you how to build own XRP Telegram bot. I was inspired to create this tutorial when I started using XRP bot. This bot was developed by Wind, sorry if I am pronouncing his name incorrectly, but this is an amazing developer who has built many useful things for XRP users. Primarily, XRP bot allows Reddit, Twitter, and Discord users tip each other some amount of XRPs for great content, comments, and so on. But also this bot has some other features. I am also XRP bot user, and here is my public page. If you like what I am doing, I'll highly appreciate if you donate some XRPs to support my YouTube channel. The link to this page is in the description to this video. So the goal of this tutorial is to show how easily you can build bot similar to XRP bot, or probably inspire you to add some extra functionality or features. So let's begin with very high-level architecture overview. It is very common for all cryptocurrency bots. At the top level we have Telegram, Viber, Twitter, Facebook Messenger, Discord, and many other messengers and social networks which have built-in API. Actually, all of them act like user interface for our bot. In this tutorial we'll work with Telegram, but you can try to integrate any other messenger in a quite similar way. So Telegram is our user interface. The next layer is application. It listens messages from user to bot, and if it recognizes any command, it begins to execute it. Commands might be like deposit, withdrawal, sending cryptocurrency from one user to another, and so on. The third layer is database. It stores user profile, like his name and balance, and transactions information. And finally, XRP ledger. It allows to process XRP deposits and withdrawals. Actually, instead of XRP, you can use any other cryptocurrency, but you need to replace XRP ledger with some different blockchain, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or something more exotic. In this video tutorial, we'll create application code that integrates with Telegram, saves data into database, and interacts with XRP Ledger API to process deposits and withdrawals. Now let's have a quick look at our future bot functionality. Of course, in order to send XRPs, firstly, user has to deposit some amount of XRPs to his XRP Telegram bot account. When user types deposit command, XRP Telegram bot has to provide XRP address and destination tag, check whether deposit was successful and what amount actually was deposited, and save this information to database into user profile and transactions history. Also, user should be able to check his balance. If he types balance command, bot should retrieve balance information from user's profile and send it to Telegram. And the main command send. So user can type like send 10 XRPs to another user. In this case, bot should make sure that current user has sufficient amount of XRPs and transfer balance from one user to another and save this information into database. Then withdrawal. If user types withdraw, bot should request withdrawal amount, of course make sure that user has this amount, then request withdrawal address and destination tag, and if both are provided, process withdrawal. And finally, user should be able to see his history of deposits, withdrawals, and transfers to another users. Well, this is all functionality of our bot. But if you have better creativity than I do, you can add more commands. Now let's look at some tools we'll use. Firstly, we have to create bot in Telegram. In order to do that, we'll use botfather. It has quite rich functionality, like it allows you to create new bot, change its name, add some description, profile picture, generate new authorization token, delete bot, and so on. Once we receive authorization token from Telegram, we can begin coding. Since our bot will be written in JavaScript, this Node.js library, Node Telegram bot API, will be quite useful. It will help us to interact with Telegram API and quite simplified development process. As database, we'll use cloud version of MongoDB provided by MLab. MLab provides 500 megabytes for free, which is more than enough for our video tutorial. And in order to interact with XRP ledger, like process withdrawals and deposits, we'll use Node.js RippleLib version 1. And finally, during development process, it is quite risky to use real XRPs. That is why we will build our bot on XRP test network. This network is analog of XRP's mainnet, but is used only for development purposes. We'll generate test wallets with 10,000 XRPs there. Well, that's all for today. In the next video, we'll start building our bot. Thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe to my channel if you want more videos, and leave your questions in the comment section below. Bye!